Alright y'all, it's been a while since I posted a video. Been busy, work. My daughter, she was born, she'll be 3 months old in about a week. My wife finished RN school. So it's been real busy around my place. Right here, what we got is, I'm just showing a little before and after. I got a new tool, a tornado, or yeah, tornador. A200, I believe. I'll have to look at it when I bring it down here in a second. But I'm selling this car for a friend of mine, and you know, part of my deal is get them cleaned up. You know, hard to sell a dirty car. I mean, at least it's hard to get top dollar for it. So this car has already been pre-cleaned on the inside once. And look how dirty it still is. The reason why I'm out here so late doing this is because thought I'd have a little bit more time, but I've got some potential buyers coming to look at her tomorrow, supposedly, so we'll see. And somebody wants to come Saturday if it's still available. Anyway, I'm just giving you a look around. It's just a WS6 clone, I guess you'd call it. 99 with the LS1. It was sitting under some oak trees. You see all that crap there? I gotta get all that out of there. Fun. Y'all know how much fun that crap is. And it was just full of leaves and all kind of junk. So I just want to do a little before, and then I'll do it after when I get done cleaning it. I've used the tool a couple times now, and it has really impressed me. So a little bit about the car. 154,000 miles, LS1. It's got a miss on cylinder 8, probably a coil pack, most likely. Console, pour it up. Just take that off. I might have a old one that's tore up, but in better shape than that I can put on there. Let's see, not putting my good stuff on there unless the buyer wants to pay for it. But I'm gonna clean this thing up. Outside paint job's actually not that bad. There's the springs that were on it. It's got some new springs on it. I think those are lowering springs, and the ones that are on it maybe stock ride height, I believe. It's got Coney adjustables on it too. It's got some slotted and drilled rotors on the front. I'm not sure the brand. It's got a rear end noise. Paint job's good except for a little bit of clear coat. It's harder. I'll do a video in the daytime too before it's gone. But just a little bit right there on the back. If it's getting snipped in the bud quick enough, it'll be okay. Let's see what kind of exhaust. It's got some sort of exhaust or something, Magnaflow maybe. I don't know. It sounds pretty good. But here's a little look at the underside. Let's get the C6 wheel set up. 305s and 19s. Well, there you go. There's the new struts and shocks and everything. I mean, springs and shocks. But 305s, 19s in the back, and 275s, 18s in the front. Tires need good tires on here, really nice, y'all. But I mean, it's not bad. If it were a real W6, it would be my car. I wouldn't be selling it. I would have just bought it. But being that it's not, I really don't need another project right now. As you can see, that one we're finishing up painting body on. And then we got the Y82 over there. I mean, we got plenty to work on. And yeah, I'll be making some more videos here in the future. So we probably got one right in the head. Apologize for my somewhat subpar camera skills. I'm a little rusty. But yeah, there's your before. Let me do it. No, I got the battery disconnected. I'll do a startup on the next video. So, alright. See y'all guys later.